How to turn off NSFW filter on Character AI. I am going to show you how you can easily turn off NSFW filter on Character AI. First, open the Character AI app on your device. Look for the Sign In option, usually positioned in the bottom left corner of the screen. When prompted, select the Continue with Google option. Choose the Google account you would like to use for signing in to the Character AI application. After selecting your Google account, tap on the Continue button to proceed with the sign-in process. You will then be asked to input your chosen username. Enter your desired username for the Character app AI. Next, input your birth date. Once you have entered your username and birthday, tap on the Create Account button to complete the sign-up process. After successfully creating your account, use friendly language instead of explicit terms to avoid detection by the Character AI filter. Then type your message in the provided message area. Locate the content filter or NSFW settings within your account preferences. This is where you can enable or disable the filter. Switch the NSFW filter to the off position to deactivate it. Now you are finished. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.